How's it going, everyone? Spencer Israel here with Brent Slava and Nick Donato from our Benzinga news desk here in our downtown Detroit newsroom. Today we're talking about a topic that we all love, and that's earnings season. We're right in the middle of earnings season right now. If you don't know what that is, just real briefly, it's once every quarter, companies or public companies are required to disclose their financials in a public release. It usually leads to a lot of volatility in the stocks, and it's sort of like game day for the markets, is how I like it. If the market were a football season, the earnings season would be Sunday.
I like that analogy.
So we're all pumped about it. You got a lot of big movers really every day because of earnings season. So, Nick, these releases come out every day before and after the bell. They're pretty complicated. Give us a quick summary. What numbers people be looking for?
Your two big ones are EPS, earnings per share, and sales. Those are the big ones that people are looking at. There's other ones such as guidance, which Brent, I'm sure we'll touch on after this. But there's also industry-specific ones. When you're looking at retail, you got same-store sales, so you're trying to compare year over year, which is what companies do a lot of times. For Netflix specifically, for their Q1 earnings report yesterday, a lot of people were looking at net ads for subscribers. They're always looking at the subscriber number. You get daily active users for apps, kind of like Twitter or Facebook, stuff like that. You know, it just depends on the different sector and companies.
So
for that,
so the company's offering a look back on their prior quarter, and also they're trying to give a preview of their current quarter.
Right.
It's like a benchmark. For the most part.
Right. Tell us about the preview for the current quarter.
Okay, so guidance is a very important figure. A lot of times guidance figures can be more important than the earnings figures. And what a company will be doing with guidance is as we've touched on, they're giving you a quick outlook for the next quarter, maybe the next year. And a lot of analysts already have estimates for these. So they're very important to be able to benchmark and, give an indication for what the stock's going to do the next trading session.
Now, again, these reports are coming out in the morning before the opening bell and after the bell. And Brent, where can people find these reports?
All right, so definitely tune into your Benzinga Pro news feed. We're really quick. We're really good at picking out the important numbers inside the press releases. And there's your next source, press releases. Companies will disclose these formally via a press release. If you're looking for a quick tip on where to find the important numbers in the press release, a lot of companies will give you bullets right at the top of a press release. It's important to look there. If you really kind of want to drill down into the numbers, you can scroll all the way to the bottom of a press release. The balance sheet, income statement, and the cash flow statement will be right there. Also, one more, Spencer, investor relation pages. So what's happened recently is a lot of companies have been releasing their earnings via their investor relations page. You won't be able to find it via a press release. You have to go to the investor relations page, and it's something that a lot of companies have been doing recently, so look out for that this earnings season.
Netflix is a culprit of that one.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we had Netflix already. We've had a lot of the big banks, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan. Any other stocks you guys are particularly excited to see this earnings season?
Yeah, GM, our neighbors next door. They've had pressure from Greenlight with their proposal earlier on in the quarter. Really looking forward to seeing how they do this quarter.
I'm looking out for Twitter. I'm excited to see what Twitter has done over the last quarter. Just an embattled company, embattled stock recently. I've been watching them closely, so I'm interested in it.
All right, if you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our BZTV YouTube channel, or comment below and let us know which stocks you're looking forward to seeing this earnings season. And stay tuned to our YouTube channel and to Benzinga Pro for all these earnings news. For Nick Donato and Brent Slava, I'm Spencer Israel. Have a good one.